Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Bauer and I wanted to quickly go over the requirements for focus notes in Earth Science. Each new unit, you will be provided with a notes template called Earth Science Focus Notes for the new unit. You can find it in a couple of different ways, so I wanted to show you all of those ways. One way would be on the weekly work schedule for the week when we start a new unit. I will mention that we need to begin the unit notes, and then it will also be attached below that you could download and you can copy it you can download it to your science folder that you'll be creating, or you can print it and write directly on it. It doesn't matter to me if you prefer to type your notes in the template or if you want to print them and handwrite them. Whichever is better for you is fine with me. Another place you'll be able to find it is under content. And I'll show you two places you can find it in the content. One is right here where it says Earth Science Focus Notes Templates. And every time we get a new template, I'll put it right here. Since we're getting ready to do Unit 1, those are your Unit 1 notes right there. You will also be able to find it in the very first lesson of the unit. So we have Earth's Surface, Lesson 1. And here you can see it's right here to find. So lots of places to find it. I want to make sure that you guys have what you need when you're filling in your notes. So this is the required template that you'll be using for focused notes in Earth Science for Unit 1. The lesson number is written on the left, and then the guiding question or essential questions are on the right. As you complete each lesson each day, you will fill in your notes, and then you can use those notes as you take the quiz for that lesson. This will be something that you work on a little bit each day as you complete the lessons. You don't want to do it all at once at the end because then you don't have the benefit of using your notes when you take your quizzes. So do it as you do the lesson, fill in the notes, use the notes as you take the quiz. Then at the end, you can use the completed notes for taking your test. At the end, there is a place to summarize your learning, so make sure you answer that in complete sentences. And then when you are all finished, you will have a couple of places you can turn in your notes. One of them will be, I'll go back out here to our content. One place you'll be able to turn your notes in will be, let me put it in student view. Oops. So right where it says unit test, I'm going to be adding, it's not here yet, but I'm going to be adding a place where you can upload your notes directly here. Once you've taken the test, you can turn those notes in. Another place you can turn it in is to tools and assignments. And then you'll see you can turn it in right here. You just click right on where it says Unit 1 Notes and you add the file. If you are writing on your notes, you'll just take a picture with a camera or scan it, save it to your science folder on your computer, and then upload from there. If you're already working on a digital copy, it's pretty easy that way, and then you just click submit. All right, the other thing I wanted to show you is that the course content is going to talk a lot about a science notebook, and the science notebook that is in the curriculum is optional because I'm already having you complete focus notes. So it is not required. It's pretty, it's kind of redundant. It's the same thing I'm asking you to do, only in a different way. So if you're going to do one or the other, definitely do my focus notes that I provide to you because this is not going to be graded. So I just wanted to show you we're in that first lesson that you're going to be doing, and you're going to see something about a science notebook. So if we look at the template that they provide to you, you can see that it's just a little bit more open-ended. And it just gives you a place where you can put your questions and your notes, the unit name, lesson name, course name. In the template I provided to you, I've filled out all of that information, and I've really highlighted the big ideas, the essential questions that I want to make sure you know. So again, this is totally optional, but the focus notes that I provide to you are required. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, and I am here to help. Again, you can locate those right here in the lesson 1 of the unit, or you can locate it in the Earth Science Focus Notes template section. All right, have a great day, everyone.